Hello everyone, welcome to Tricky Math with Rekha. Today we are going to learn one of the most important math skills, multiplying numbers using the long multiplication method. Let's see how easily we can solve big number multiplications step by step. So, ever wondered how bakers figure out how much of each ingredient they need to make large batches of biscuits? Let's take a look. Here's the ingredient measurement for one batch. Flour 2031 grams, milk 1524 milliliters, sugar 1183 grams. Now, what if the baker wants to make 15 batches of biscuits? How much of each ingredient will they need? Let's find out using the long multiplication method. We will start with flour. We need to multiply 2031 by 15. So step 1, align the digits of the multiplicand and the multiplier in the columns based on their place values. So we write 2031 and below it we place 15. Here 2031 is the multiplicand we are going to multiply and 15 is the multiplier we are going to multiply with. Step 2. Multiply the ones place digit of multiplier with the ones place digit of multiplicand. So 5 multiply 1 is 5. Now step 3. Multiply the ones place digit of multiplier with the tens digit of the multiplicand. So 5 multiply 3 is 15. 15 is greater than 9 and a 2-digit number, so we write down 5 and carry over 1 to the next column. Step 4. We multiply the 100 to the 1000 digit of the multiplicand by the ones digit of multiplier. So 5 times 0 is 0. And don't forget to add the carried over 1, that makes it 1. Now multiply 5 and 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. So our first partial product is 10,155. Now in step 5, as we are moving to the tens place, we add a 0 under ones column to keep the place value correct. Step 6, multiply the tens digit of multiplier with the entire multiplicand. So 1 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply 3 is 3, 1 multiply 0 is 0, and 1 multiply 2 is 2. So as we have 0 under ones place value column, the total answer is 20,310. This is our second partial product. Step 7. We will add both the partial product to get the final answer. 10,155 plus 20,310. The answer is 30,465. Which means to make 15 batches of biscuits or cookies, we need 30,465 grams of flour. Now it's your turn. Try finding out how much milk is needed for 15 batches. We will multiply 1524 by 15. Go ahead, pause the video and give it a try. Now let's check your answer. When we multiply 1524 by 15 and follow the steps of long multiplication method, we get the answer 22,860. So which means to make 15 batches of biscuits, we need 22,860 ml of milk. This is our answer. Let's quickly summarize the steps for long multiplication. Step 1. Align the digits in columns. Step 2. Multiply the ones digit of the multiplier with the entire multiplicand. Step 3. Add 0 in ones place digit. Step 4. Multiply the tens digit of the multiplier with the entire multiplicand. And step 5. Add up both the partial products to get the final answer. That's it. Long multiplication made easy. Alright Math Champ, here's your challenge. Find out how much sugar is needed for 15 batches if one batch uses 1183 grams. Share your answer in our comment section. Hope you would have liked the video. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more math videos on this channel. See you in the next math video where math gets simpler, smarter and a lot more fun. Thanks for watching Tricky Math with Rekha.